Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to English class, and how are you today? In this video, I'm going to share with you some other natural features and prepositions of movements.
Track B52, page 74, Activity 6. Listen and say. A.
Around.
B.
Through.
C.
Toward.
D.
Past.
E.
Lake.
F.
Sea.
G.
Coast.
H.
Hills.
Look at these examples. He walks around the lake.
He walks around the lake. He swims through the lake. He walks past the lake. He walks toward the lake.
And by the way, I would like to thank you to all students who have actively answered every questions in the comment sections. I really appreciate it, and I believe that it will be beneficial for you. Keep going with that. Let's keep up the good work. Now look at activity 7. What animals can you see? Yep, gorillas. Now tell me something about gorillas. Share what you know about gorillas in the comment sections. Maybe you can tell me what do they eat, where do they live, or what do they like doing, etc. Of course, I will give you points. Now prepare your pencil because we are going to listen and write, then sing.
Track B53, page 74, Activity 7. Listen and write, then sing.
Where are all the gorillas? Let's watch them eat and play.
They're past the hills, across the bridge, around the lake and the trees. We could walk through the valley, climb the bridge and watch them play.
Could I go near the gorillas?
Yes, you could, but not so near.
Where are all the gorillas? Let's watch them eat and play.
They're over the hill, next to the huts, across the waterfall.
Could I walk toward the valley, climb the hill and watch them play?
Yes, you could, but be careful. You could fall down the hill.
In this song, you can hear and see the word could in the lyrics. So now let me help you understand better the use of could and couldn't in a sentence or in a conversations. So here we are at the top of page 75. Look.
Track B55, page 75. Look.
Could you walk around the lake?
Yes, I could. Could you walk around the lake?
No, I couldn't.
I could walk around the lake, but I couldn't swim through it.
Look at this picture. I could walk around the lake, but I couldn't swim through it. I could walk around the lake, but I couldn't swim through the lake because there are 3 crocodiles ready to catch me and eat me. Next, can you help me to answer the questions? Could I walk past the hill? Of course. No, you couldn't. Could we go through this forest? Yes, we could. Now look at this man. Could he walk through the valley? There are wolves here. So the answer will be no, he couldn't. So this is the questions for you. Could we walk toward the mountain? Put your answer in the comment sections. Now let's do activity 8. Listen and write y equals yes or n equals no. After that, take the picture of it and upload it on the Google Classroom.
Track B56, page 75. Activity 8. Listen and write y equals yes or n equals no. 1,
Could you swim toward the coast? No, I couldn't.
2,
Could you walk around the lake? Yes, I could.
3,
Could you run past the hills?
Yes, I could.
4,
Could you walk through the rainforest?
No, I couldn't.
That's all for this lesson. Thank you for watching. Keep up the good work and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.